ever ask yourself, is it just me? Is it just me? Is this sex so good I shouldn't have to fuck for free? Is this sex so good I shouldn't have to fuck for free? Is this sex so good I shouldn't have to...
I want a bad chick, she got a body, a real bad bitch. She knows how I like to